Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create characters on yodayo.com website. So you can see here, this is the website. So what you need to do, you need to create your account first, then click here. You can see chat in Tavern. So now you can see here, this is all of them are character. You can chat with all of them. And so now how to create your chat, okay, character. So click here, create option, this one, and click the character. So now create with your pilot, so it's really easy. And if you want to create manually, click here start. So now you have to give your name in chat. So after that, you have to give your chat name. You can select your voice, like which voice you want. So I'm just select this one randomly. Description, you have to give a description your character to the AI. So you can click, and first message, like when someone messages your character and what will be appeared with them. And scenario optional, example dialogue optional. So now, like category, select up to 7. So what type of categories you can select your hashtag here so that people can find you. So there are many things you can choose. So maybe drama, fantasy, adventure. So you have to choose original character. You have to choose more than 7, then it will appear. So this is required. I just said hi for tutorial purpose. I said hi all of them. I just, you can give your things here, and after that simply click next. So now you have to title, you have to give your name. So you can change your avatar name, avatar profile here, education, all these are things. And after that simply click here. I'm just going to tap something, okay. I'm just going to click next button, but you must give the character here and choose randomly, okay, and click the next button and saving. So it's really easy to create your character. So background, you can select here more things. Character with background, you can select your background, and after that save and continue. I'm just keep it like this way. So now you have to select your model. So you can see, I'm just going to choose this model, okay, use this version, and add a special spell for you. And after that, it's, I'm just going to click, you can give all the things. So all it happened, then you can see preview, and after that publish. Once you click published, so your character will be published here. You can see pending approval. When they approve you, then it will be approved. So actually this way you can create your own character.